Hi girls, just a short little video clip. As we know and we talked about before, that CCEA have launched their new website, and some of you had emailed me regarding where you find the fact files support on the new website. So I'm just going to do this quick little tutorial to show you. So I'm on the CCEA website now, which is www.cea.org.uk, and then we're going to go into our the GCSE section, scroll down, and we're going to go to Business Studies. And then once we're in Business Studies, we're going to go to Support. And then we have our Fact Files Unit 1 and Fact Files Unit 2. So we can click in here and see. So this is where we are kind of in our specification now, where we were looking at the marketing mix last. So there's our 4 elements and the fact files in those elements. And we also have for Unit 2, fact files as well. And you should also look at these other supports they have for you, because they can be very useful. And always remember that CCEA writes the papers, so it's really important to look at the resources they produce. Okay? Thanks girls, hope to see you soon. Please watch our other videos on our app. I hope you find them useful.